up, everybody. Listen well and close. For I wish you have a plan to escape this workshop. What's wrong? Escape this workshop? How are we supposed to do that? Oh, well, I'll tell you. We're going to make an impact. And we're going to get out of here. Down below the surface, down in the deep, we were creating using a magical piano. This laboratory built by someone so long ago, by whom we don't know. Our we creations are not allowed to leave, for Zorro trapped us in here with him himself. We see the light shining from the outside, and we won out. We won out. Spirits and shadows, machines like me, crystal and poison. All of us want to be free. We don't want to be down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Vision, don't tell me we're going about this escaping the workshop thing again. You're just blind to the truth, Whale. No, you're the one who's blind. Don't you understand this is the only place we can live? No. Some of you are blinded by your ideals. You can't tell what's in your mind and what is real. And follow this foolish quad on the path he trod. You treat your home as it's a prison cell, but this is the only place where we can dwell. Don't you see? This is the only place where we can be. Steel and shadows, plasma like me, crystal and poison. This is the only where we're truly free. Down in the workshop. This all better stop. There's no going to the top, for we'll all be caught down in the workshop. You think you can falter me? Well, soon you'll all look up to me. Soon free. Down in the workshop. We're not gonna stop. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. Down in the workshop. This all better stuff. We'll make it to the top, or we'll all be caught down in the workshop. We'll look up